Yenze njani lento? Uzomthola indlala abanye abafana mina. Uzomthola noma kanjani. Yenze njani lento? Ayikho enye into engayenza. Kodwa yena kuzofuna ngimtholile. Uzomthola noma kanjani. Ana mina ngizomthola. Ngizomthola noma kanjani. Ngizomthola.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrenda mfana John Slophe ngemva kokuthi afake ama-video alaphana aku-TikTok la akhuluma khona tinto leti ngavakali, and people felt ukuthi ayimani lo babe udzinga lisito like serious, he needs help. So abantu abaningi bayatibota ukuthi kungani kani ma-celebrities ala Mzansi or ma-actors rata la Mzansi uma sika-down and out uyabona nje ukuthi isimo sesimatima. Labanye siyababona sebalakahlekelwa natingqondo, labanye siyababona sebangene utitsa kwamiva. So people are saying ukuthi what is really happening kuleya industry yoku-acta kani. So people are saying ukuthi nkosi yami ngazuthi angatholelwa lisito, but lapha bekabhalile ukuthi uyareheza, yena bekabhalile nje ukuthi #rehearsals lapha ngendansi ku-caption. But people felt ukuthi hayi man, these videos are so disturbing. Ivideo khona iqala emkhathini awuvisi ukuthi ukhuluma nabani kwendakalani. Not so long ago bekafake ama-video la thandaza khona, umbona nje ukuthi isimo simatima. So people are saying ukuthi lo babe lona kudzingeka ukuthi bamthole lisito before it's too late, because right now siyabukela and siyabona ukuthi there's something going on. He needs help, but we just decide to turn a blind eye. Bese mase kwendeke something sithi oh but sabona man. So people are saying ukuthi nkosi yami akasitakale uBab Jones, because like uyabona man ukuthi he's going through the most empilweni. uBab Jones simbonela ekuthatha kwetori letiningi lapha kumabona kuze including lapha ku-Uzalo. I think gcina ukuthi kumbona vele sagcina kumbona lapha ku-Uzalo. So people are saying ukuthi nkosi yami he's a good actor, but now that he's down and out uyabona nje ukuthi kumatima kakhulu empilweni guys. Yo, yeah, kumatima straight. I think that's true. Mabasho ke labanye laba ke ba-actor ukuthi laphana ku-acting industry ayikho imali, but some are saying ukuthi ayikho imali njani. Ngathi kunebantu laba-survive-ako, basurvive bahola bo-3.5, but umuntu yakhona kusurvive ondle umndeni wakhe akhe likhaya lelifudumele. But thola umuntu ya-actor adlale ngemali mase kaphelile magigi angasaqashwa bese umuntu soyaqala uqela ma-donations. But mfana guys, he once mentioned ukuthi yena ngeke aze ake nje in the video asking for ma-donations. So please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.